Once upon a time across the nation, 10 ninjas make organization. You see them, they follow one chief on a mission to capture the nine-tailed beast, the master. Not like Splinter when you speak about the S-class ninja. Better kill yourself when they on your tail. Black trench coat, blood clouds and dark nails. Shinobis wanna play but they won't have it. Fuck around, get eaten like a sandwich. If you know treason, understand that a goal is achieved when you plan it with a jutsu to put you in darkness, cook you or leave you heartless. With the beast they break the markets, or they rape any village that wanna start shit. Who are they? Ninja. Is this a movie? Attacking the leaf villages where my crew be. What is it like to be a shinobi? My ninjas feel you for you feel me. Katsuki. 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 My ninjas feel you for you feel me.